Today we're going to be looking at this vintage Simplex fire alarm, which is a 2901-9833 horn on a 2903 strobe plate. Let's get started. Right here we have this rather interesting device. You may have seen these around from time to time. This is an older Simplex fire alarm dating back to around the late 70s. This alarm is considerably larger than most modern fire alarms and has a frosted strobe rather than the clear ADA compliant strobes you see around nowadays. This alarm also has a mechanical horn, meaning that there is a motor behind here that drives two metal plates together rather than a speaker broadcasting a sound from a sound module. You see these devices around, particularly in the Midwest and on the East Coast. However, they are slowly starting to be phased out. One thing you'll notice is that this device comes with a back box. These devices are often simply just put onto the wall with the back box sticking out, although you can flush mount these as well. This strobe has a distinct triangular shape with large fire lettering, as well as a big open grid for the horn. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside. So if we remove the alarm from the back box, it's rather interesting. Here we have basically two alarms in one. We have the horn that is mounted on this strobe plate. A modern equivalent of this type of setup would be a Wheelock bell strobe plate. You can see here that this horn could be taken off and used just simply as a horn unit. However, it's connected to this strobe plate using these two wire leads, and then these two additional leads connect to the main power, thus powering both the strobe and the horn at the same time. If we look closer at the circuitry on the strobe unit, you'll notice that there's this small dial here that is a flash rate adjuster, meaning you can change how fast or how slow the strobe flashes. I currently have it set at the factory setting as I don't want to disturb the glue here. This model was made with both incandescent lights as well as strobes. This is a strobe model. We're going to go ahead and do a demonstration of this alarm. The horn has certainly seen better days on this particular unit. Over the course of time that I've had this, the pitch in the horn has dropped as much as a perfect fourth, so it's currently a little lower sounding than normal. We're going to use this Simplex chevron for the demonstration, a common pairing with this particular device. Here we go. I hope you all enjoyed this demonstration of this vintage Simplex fire alarm. Be sure to like the video, leave comments, and of course, subscribe to the channel.